Hello students, now I am going to explain intermediate max 1A addition of vectors children. In addition of vectors, we will get very short answers. Two questions children means 2 into 2 4 marks. Short answer 1 question children means 1 into 4 4 marks, and long answers 1 into 7 marks children. So in this session I will explain long answers children. So important long answers in addition of vectors children. Before that we will see some key points children. So if a comma b comma c are collinear points, if and only if ab bar is equals to lambda ac bar. Here ab bar means ob minus oa, ob bar minus oa, ac bar means oc bar minus oa. So here ob bar minus oa, oc bar minus oa children. Next point, if a1 I bar plus b1 j bar plus c1 k bar and a2 I bar plus b2 j bar plus c2 k bar are collinear vectors, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 children. Next, unit vector in direction of r bar is equal to r bar by magnitude of r bar children. In vectors we will read this as magnitude, and in opposite direction means r bar is equal to minus r bar by magnitude of r bar children. Next, vector equation of a straight line passing through a bar and parallel to b bar is r bar is equal to a bar plus 2b a bar plus t b bar, where t belongs to r children. R means real numbers. Next, vector equation of straight line passing through a bar comma b bar is r bar is equal to 1 minus t into a bar plus t b bar, where t belongs to r. So this parallel condition children, this is passing through two vectors children. So you should remember this all formulas children. Next, vector equation of plane passing through a bar comma b bar and parallel to c bar is, here passing through two vectors and parallel to third vector means r bar is equal to 1 minus t into a bar plus t b bar plus s b bar, where t comma s belongs to r. Next, vector equation of a plane passing through a bar comma b bar and c bar is r bar is equal to 1 minus s minus t into a bar plus sb bar plus tc bar, where s comma t belongs to r. So whatever formulas I am telling, you should remember children. It is useful in your problems. Next, 3 points with position vectors a comma b and c are collinear if and only if there exist scalars x y z not all 0, such that x plus y plus z equal to 0 and xa plus yb plus zc equal to 0. Next, 4 points with position vectors a b c and d are collinear if and only if there exist scalars x comma y comma z comma u not all 0, such that x plus y plus z plus u equal to 0 and xa plus yb plus zc plus ud is equal to 0. Next point children, a comma b comma c comma d are coplanar points if and only if ab bar comma ac bar comma ad bar are coplanar. So now we will see very important long answer children in addition of vector children. I am talking about 7 marks questions. So first question children, a comma b comma c are non-coplanar vectors. Prove that the 4 points a plus 4, these 4 points, these are the 4 points is given, is asking to prove that they are coplanar. They are coplanar children. So this is a method number 1 children. So let a comma b comma c comma d be 4 points whose position vectors are, we should take origin children. Position vector means, so oa bar is equals to whatever is given, write that only children. Why? Because origin means same, you know very well. So whatever first vector is given, first point is given like this, next ob bar equal to second point is given like this. So whatever is given, you should write for variables bar children. 3a bar plus 2b bar minus 5c bar. Next, OC bar means OC is given how much, C is given, so minus 3a bar plus 8b bar minus 5c bar. Next, OD means minus 3 a bar plus 2b bar plus c bar. So for variables you should take bar. So ab bar, find children. Ab bar means ob bar minus oa bar. Ob bar how much children? 3a bar plus 2b bar minus 5c bar minus oa bar how much? Minus a bar plus 4b bar minus 3c bar children. So write first three terms as it is children, send minus inside, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Now write a terms, a bar, b bar, c bar terms separately children. So here 3a bar plus a bar plus 2b bar minus 4b bar plus, whenever you are taking small brackets you should take plus symbol and open the brackets children. So plus minus 5c plus 3c plus 5c bar plus 3c bar children. So 3a bar plus a bar is 4a bar plus, so 2 minus 4 how much children? Big number having minus means minus 2. So minus 2b bar plus, here minus 5 plus 3 how much children? Minus 2. Minus 2c bar. So write 4a bar as it is, minus plus into minus is minus, here also plus into minus is minus. So equation number 1. Next consider AC bar children. What is the formula? OC bar minus OA bar. OC is given this value children, minus 3a bar plus 8b bar minus 5c bar minus OA means how much children? Minus a bar plus 4b bar minus 3c bar. So write first three terms as it is children. Here send minus inside, minus into plus, minus into minus plus, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Now write a bar, b bar, c bar terms separately children. So minus 3a bar plus a bar plus 8b bar minus 4b bar plus minus 5c bar plus 3c bar children. So minus 3 plus 1 is how much? Minus 2. Next 8 minus 4 is 4b bar. Next minus 5 plus 3 is big number having minus symbol, so minus 2 c bar. So that only I have written children here. So here first two terms write as it is, plus into minus is minus 2c bar. So it is equation number 2 children. Next AD bar. AD bar means OD bar minus OA bar children. So OD value is given how much? OD bar means minus 3a bar plus 2b bar plus c bar minus OA bar is given is how much? Minus a bar plus 4b bar minus 3c bar. Write first three times as it is children, send your minus inside, minus into minus plus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. So write a bar, b bar, c bar terms separately children, means minus 3a bar plus a bar plus 2b bar minus 4b bar plus c bar plus 3c bar. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2a bar children plus 2 minus 4 is minus 2b bar plus 1 plus 3 is 4c bar children. So write minus 2a bar as it is, plus into minus is minus plus 4c bar. Equation number 3. So we are having condition children, a bar, ab bar, comma ac bar, comma ad bar are coplanar, means if and only if box of ab bar, ac bar, ad bar equal to 0, means you should get, we will find this value using determinant children. So ab bar, ac bar, ad bar equal to, so we have to take coefficients of a bar, b bar, c bar from equation 1, 2, 3 children. So what are the coefficients children here? 4 minus 2 minus 2 children, write in first row, that only I have written. Next in equation number 2, minus 2, 4 minus 2, write in second row children. Next in third equation, what are the coefficients children? Minus 2 minus 2 4, that only I have written in third row. So write here box of a bar, b bar, c bar outside children. From where I wrote? From 1, 2, 3. So you know very well known how to calculate determinant children. Here 4 into 4 4 are 16. So minus into minus plus, but formula is minus. So 2 to the 4. Next minus of minus 2 children. Next minus 2 outside means here multiply, minus 2 into 4 is minus 8. So formula is minus, but here positive. Formula is same, minus only. So 2 to the how much children? 4. So here plus term is there, plus minus plus you should write, but according to this value you should write minus children. Why? Because plus into minus is minus, minus 2 write as it is. So minus 2 into minus 2 is plus 4. So here minus of minus plus it will become, so 2 4 the how much? 8. So close the brackets. So box of A bar, B bar, C bar. So 4 into 16 minus 4 is 12. So here minus into minus plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8 is minus 12. So write minus 2 as it is. 4 plus 8 is 12 children. Write box as it is. So 4 into 12 is 48 children. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 12 24. So here 2 into 12 also 24. So here if you take here children, 48 minus 24 is 24. 24 minus 24 is 0. So 0 into something is 0. So hence what we can say children, A comma B comma C comma D are coplanar vectors. Are coplanar vectors. So in this way you can do children. This is method 1. So method 2 also up to here you should calculate compulsorily. Up to here you should calculate compulsorily. After that, without finding this determinant, you can go for this process also. I will explain that also for you, which is better. You can practice that only children. So method 2. So up to equation number 3 you should find as it is children. After that continuation of equation 3. So taking one vector and writing it as linear combination of other two vectors children. That is method 2. Taking one vector and writing it as linear combination of other two vectors means AB bar equal to x into AC bar plus y into AD bar. So where x comma y are scalars. So AB bar, how much we got from equation 1? This is a value. Equal to x into AC bar, how much we got from equation 2? This is a value. Plus y into AD bar, how much we got from 3? So this is a value. So after that, you send all these values this side children. Write A bar, B bar, C bar values separately children. If you write like that, 4 here minus 2 will become plus 2 into x, and here minus 2y will become plus 2y children into A bar, plus here what is the B bar term? First term minus 2. If you send this 4x this side, it will become minus 4x. If you send minus 2y this side, it will become plus 2y into B bar, plus write C bar terms children. What is that? Minus 2. Next, if you send minus 2x that side, it will become plus 2x. Next, if you send plus 4y this side, it will become minus 4y into C bar equal to 0 bar. Since A bar, B bar, C bar are non-coplanar vectors, so non-coplanar vectors is given. So this value is equal to 0, this value is equal to 0, this value is equal to 0. So make these equations as 4, 5 and 6. From 4, 5 and 6. From where we wrote children this one? From 1. From 1, 2, 3. So 4, 5, 6. Now solving 4 and 6 children. Now solving 4 and 6. Solving 4 and 6 we get. So fourth one is this one, sixth one is this one. So here second equation, minus there means plus, plus there means minus, minus there means plus. Both cancel. So 4 plus 2 how much? 6 children. 2 plus 4 how much? 6. So 6 plus 6y is equal to 0 children. Since 6 is that side, plus will become minus. 0 minus 6 is minus 6. So y is equal to minus 6 by since 6 is that side. Multiplication will become division. 1 the 6 1 the. So y equal to minus 1. Substitute y is equal to minus 1 in equation number 4 children. In equation number 4. In equation number 4 we get 4 right as it is, plus 2x as it is, plus 2 into y value is how much? Minus 1 children. So plus into minus, minus 2 on the 2. So write constant separately children. 4 minus 2 plus 2x equal to 0. 4 minus 2 is 2 children. Send 2 that side, plus will become minus. 0 minus 2 is minus 2. Therefore x is equal to minus 2 by 2. The 1. So x is equal to minus 1. Now put this x is equal to minus 1 and y equal to minus 1 in equation number 5 children. In equation number 5. What is the equation number 5? Minus 2 minus 4 into minus 1 plus 2 into minus 1 is equal to 0 children. So minus 2 right as it is, minus into minus plus 4 plus into minus minus. So if you simplify here, minus 2 plus 4 is 2. 2 minus 2 is 0 equal to 0. Condition is satisfied. Therefore A bar comma B bar AB bar comma AC bar comma AD bar are coplanar. So in this way also you can prove, or just simply you can find in this way also. Is it clear, children? I have explained you both the methods. So to do method 2 up to equation number 3 you should do. After that you should continue from here. So if you do from if you want to do method 1 means it's just enough to calculate up to here. Is it clear, children? Next, in this second one, children, second important 7 marks question is, if a comma b comma c are non-coplanar vectors, then test for collinearity of the points whose position vectors are given by these 3 points, children. So it may come sometimes 4 marks, it may come sometimes 7 marks, children. So let us take OA bar is equal to first one. So 2a bar plus 5b bar minus 4c bar. OB bar equal to second one, a bar plus 4b bar minus 3c bar. Third one, OC bar equal to 4a bar plus 7b bar minus 6c bar. So what is asking to check, children? Test for collinearity. So calculate AB bar, children. What is the formula? OB bar minus OA bar. OB is this one, OA is this one. So write first 3 terms as it is. So send minus inside, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, minus into minus is plus. Now write A bar, B bar, C bar value separately, children. So A bar minus 2A bar, next 4B bar minus 5B bar, next plus of minus 3C bar plus 4C bar. So this is nothing but A minus 2A is minus A bar plus 4 minus 5 is minus 1 means minus B bar plus minus 3 plus 4 is plus 1 means C bar. So write first term as it is, plus into minus is minus B bar plus C bar, equation 1. Next calculate AC bar, children. That is the formula OC bar minus OA bar. So OC value is, OC bar is this value, OA bar is this value. So write first 3 terms as it is, children. Now send minus inside, minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, minus into minus plus. Now write A bar, B bar, C bar value separately. For A bar minus 2A bar plus 7B bar minus 5B bar. Next plus of minus 6C bar plus 4C bar. So 4 minus 2 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2, minus 6 plus 4, big number having minus symbol, so you will get answer in negative. That is minus 2C bar, children. So that only I have written here. So here you take minus 2 common, children. Here plus 2 is there common, but take minus 2, children. Why? Because if you are taking minus 2 common, this plus value will become minus A bar, this plus value will become minus B bar, this minus value will become plus C bar. So write minus 2 as it is. So from equation number 1, what can you write, children? This value as minus A bar minus B bar plus C bar is A B bar, we can write from equation 1. So if A comma B comma C are collinear points, then one vector is a linear combination of other vectors. I already told. So that is AC bar equal to minus 2 times of AB bar, children. So that is lambda is equal to how much? Minus 2. Lambda is equal to how much? Minus 2. What is the formula we are having, children? It is in the form of AC bar equal to lambda AB bar. So your lambda value is minus 2, children. So hence the points are collinear. So what is the formula, children? Lambda here. So that's why I wrote lambda value as 2. What is the formula, children? Here AC bar is equals to lambda into AB bar. So in place of lambda, here minus 2 is there. So in this way you will prove, children. Next, third one. It is also one very important 7 mark question, children. Find the vector equation of the plane which passes through the points. These are the points and parallel to the vector is given. Passing through points is given, parallel to the vector is given. Also find the point where this plane meets the line joining points. Also find the point where this plane meets the line joining points. In these 3 questions is given. Passes through, parallel condition and meets the line. So we will see one by one, children. This is, we can take this as one question, children. Passes through and parallel combination we are having formula. So we will see, children. So let us assume A bar equal to first point, B bar equal to second point, C bar equal to third point. So these are the 3 points. Here also keep for variables I bar, J bar, K bar. Next, vector equation of the plane passing through A bar, comma B bar and parallel to C bar. is r bar is equals to 1 minus t into e bar plus t b bar plus s b bar, where t comma s belongs to r. I already told you in points, children. So r bar equal to 1 minus t, right as it is. A bar means this is a value is given, right, plus t into b bar means this is a value is given, write it, plus s into c bar means this is a value is given, children. Now here 1 into multiply this everything, children, total 3 terms. Next minus t into again these 3 terms, plus not send t inside, children. T into 2i bar is 2ti bar. Next here plus 3tj bar plus 5tk bar, plus here send s inside, children. 3si bar minus 2sj bar plus sk bar, that only I have written, children. So this 1 into something, so as it is it will come, children. Here now send 2 inside, children. Minus 2ti bar minus into plus minus 4tj bar minus into plus minus 2tk bar. Remaining values I wrote as it is, children. So next write I bar, j bar and k bar terms separately. I bar if you take 2, next I bar is minus 2, next I bar is plus 2, next I bar is 3s, that only I have written into I bar. Next write j bar separately. 4, next j bar is minus 4t, next j bar is plus 3t, next j bar is minus 2s. So here minus 2t plus 2t cancel, here minus 4 plus 3t. Next k bar, children. K bar means 2, here k bar is 1, not 1, children. Here k bar is minus 2t, next k bar is 5t, next k bar is yes, children. So here minus 4 plus 3 is how much, children? Minus t. Minus 2 plus 5 is plus 3t. Remaining values I wrote as it is. 2 plus 3 is I bar plus 4 minus t minus 2 is j bar plus 2 plus 3t plus yes, k bar. Equation number 1. Next whatever is given, so here a bar, b bar, c bar we have taken. Up to here first part is completed. So what is the next part, children? Second part, find the point where this plane meets the line joining the points is given. So here we will take this as p bar, this as q bar. So that only I have taken, children. So vector equation of the line passing through points p bar q bar is, formula is r bar equal to 1 minus x into p bar plus x into q bar, where x belongs to r. So 1 minus x write as it is, children. 1 minus x write as it is. So p bar is how much is given, this is the value right here. Next x write as it is, x q bar is given this value, right as it is. So right, so here multiply 1 into these 3 terms, children. Next minus x into these 3 terms again, plus here send x inside, children. So it becomes 4x I bar minus 2x j bar plus 3x k bar. Now write these 3 terms as it is, children. Next here also send inside x minus x, so minus 2xi bar minus x j bar minus 3x k bar. This I wrote as it is. Now write I bar, j bar, k bar terms separately. So before that minus 3x k bar plus 3x k bar cancel, children. So I bar terms, so 2, next minus 2x, next plus 4x I bar plus j bar terms 1 minus x minus 2x, children, plus what is the remaining term, k term is 3k bar. So here write 2 as it is. So minus 2 plus 4 is plus 2x, children. Next into I bar plus right I wrote 1 as it is. So minus 1 minus 2 is minus 3, children. Minus 3x to j bar plus 3j bar. Equation number 2. Let r bar be the point of intersection of 1 and 2, children. That is plane 1 and line 2 intersect at r bar, means both are equal. I have equated this first equation and second equation. Now write like terms, children, means I bar terms. If you consider I bar terms, what is here, children? In left side 2 plus 3s, here right side 2 plus 2x, that only I have taken, children. So 2 to cancel, children. 3s is equal to 2x, send 3s that side, it will become minus 3s. So this is nothing but 2x minus 3s equal to 0. Equation number 3. Now take g bar. What is that? 4 minus 3 minus 2s. Here 1 minus 3x. That only I have written, children. So in this value, this side plus will become minus, minus will become plus. So here 4 minus 1, how much, children? 3. Minus 3 I wrote as it is, minus 2s I wrote as it is. Plus 3x is equal to 0. So in 3 that side, children, plus will become minus. So I wrote here 3x minus 2s minus t is equal to 0 minus 3 is minus 3, children. So I wrote positive value first and next negative values I wrote. Reverse I wrote, that's it. Next consider k bar. So here what is k bar? 2 plus 3t plus s. Here k bar is 3. That only I have written. So send to that side, children, plus will become minus. So s plus 3t is equal to 3 minus 2 is 1. Now solving 3, 4, 5. So from 5 what we get, children? S plus 3t equal to 1. Send s that side, 1 minus s plus will become minus. Send 3 that side, multiplication will become division. So t is equal to 1 minus s by 3. Equation 6. Substitute above value in equation number 4. Means in place of t, substitute this 1 minus s by 3. So I wrote that only, children. 3x minus 2s minus, in place of t, what value is there from equation number 4? 1 minus s by 3 equal to minus 3. That only see here, children. In place of 3, from equation number 6 I have written this value. So here 3 is LCM, children. 3 3 the 9x minus 3 to the is 6s minus send inside. So minus into plus minus. So minus into minus plus by 3 is equals to minus 3, children. So now write 9x as it is. Minus 6s plus s is nothing but minus 5s minus 1 is equals to 3 into minus 3 is minus 9. So send minus 9 this side, children. 9x minus 5s. So minus 1 plus 9 is how much? Plus 8, children. Now solve equation 3 and 6, children. So in equation 3 and 6 we are having x and s variables, children. So solve by using well known method to use, children. This is so x by cross multiplication method, x s 1. So in equation number 3, what is second term? Minus 3. Third term not there means 0. Again first term is 2. Second term is minus 3. That only I have written, children. Here in 7th equation, second term is minus 5. Third term is 8. First term is 9. Second term is minus 5. So x by, so minus 3 into 8 is minus 24. Formula is minus, so minus into minus plus 0 is equal to s by, so 0 into 9 is 0. Minus 8 to the is 16. 1 by 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. So minus, right formula as it is. So 9 into minus 3 is minus 27. So minus 24 plus 0 is minus 24. 0 minus 16 is minus 16. I wrote minus 10 as it is. Minus into minus plus 27. So here minus 10 plus 27 is 17. So equate first and last, second and last. So x by minus 24 equal to 1 by 17 and s by minus 16 equal to 1 by 17. Send this division value that side. So x equal to minus 24 by 17 and y s is equal to minus 16 by 17. So we want x value, children, according to equation number 2. According to equation number 2 we want x value. So we got how much? Minus 24 by 17. So substitute that value in equation number 2. So r bar equal to 2 plus 2 into x, how much? Minus 24 by 17 into I bar plus 1 minus 3 into x value is minus 24 by 17 g bar plus 3k bar. So here write 2 as it is. Plus into minus is minus. 2 into 24 is 48 by 17. Next write 1 as it is. Minus into minus plus. 24 3 are 72. Next plus 3k bar. So here LCM is 17. 17 to the 34 minus 48 by 17 I bar. Here also LCM 17. 17 minus 17 plus 72 by 17 j bar plus 3k bar. So 34 minus 48 is minus 14 by 17 I bar. 17 plus 72 is 89 by 17 j bar plus 3k bar. Therefore the plane meets the line at the points minus 14 by 17 at the point minus 14 by 17 comma 89 by 17 comma 3. Is it clear, children? It is very important.